At Logan Services, the best measure of our work isn't what we say, it's what our customers have to say.
Logan has been fantastic. My mother-in-law has her own room in the house when she comes to visit, and it's pretty much the coldest room in the house. So we feel bad for her.
No, I just think that it's got the good reputation. Bob explained all of the background with Trane and how connected you are with them, and seemed like the good choice for us.
Talked about, your training facility and how, you work with Trane and making sure that your technicians know exactly what they're doing and how they test them. They'll put it together and then they'll put a kink in the system so that they have to try to figure it out, and that makes Logan top-notch in my eyes. I just know that from my perspective, Logan has been fantastic, and Logan really does service their customers very, very well.
At Logan Services, we're proud to treat every customer like family.